Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how can we face the problem when a suspicious activity detected on our Instagram account. So let's get started our video. Open the Instagram where you detect the suspicious activity and then click on done. Here you have to select the one Gmail or phone number where you get the send confirmation code and then click on it. Here you have to put the confirmation code. If you not get this code, then click on get a new code, and if you get the code, then you have to put here and then click on the confirm option here like this. And after this you will got this type of the interface. You have to just put here a strong password including the letters, numbers and symbols as well, and then just click on the submit option here. Then you will be logged into your Instagram account successfully like this. But now you have to secure your account to detect this type of the activity again. So for this you have to click on your profile at the very bottom right corner of the page and then click on the three lines here. Then click on the settings option and click on the security option. You have to click on the login activity. You can see that here are the devices that are logging into my account. So check that besides your device, which devices has been logged into your Instagram account. So just click on the three dots and then click on the logout option here. It will save your account to detect such type of the suspicious activity again. And similarly you have to take a step to change the password and give a strong password here. It will fix your problem permanently. I hope this video helped for you. Give this video a like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.